Hello, this is a very simple video to show you the basics of how to set up a tripod and a camera so that you can go and shoot for your assessment. Your kit comprises of a camera and also a tripod. Let's begin with the tripod, which when you open that up, you'll find your tripod inside. Okay, so you'll notice the tripod legs. You need to unscrew so that they come out. Please be careful, don't let them slam out. And by the same token, when you're putting them away, don't slam them back up inside the barrel because it does damage them and they are an expensive resource. So you get your three legs to open out like so, and then you're going to spread the tripod legs to as wide as they can go so that you have a stable piece there to put your equipment on. Then you're going to layer, and you want to be able to use this handle. There's a knob here that you need to turn. It's actually more like a lever. There's a lever here you need to turn. That will allow you to lift that up, and then you'll need to tighten it off. And finally, there's a little spirit bubble here. So if you want to come and have a look, you turn this knob underneath to make sure that this head is level, and to do that we get this little bubble here to be inside the circle, and then tighten that off and we're ready to add the camera. This is your camera kit. When you open it at the sides, you'll notice everything is packed and put in its place, and that's also how you need to return it. One of the things I do want you to notice is behind here there is an instruction manual, so that if you're stuck you can find and read the manual. They're also available online. So the first thing we want to do is grab our camera like so, and we're going to put that on the tripod, and it simply slides in and clicks in. And then you adjust this yellow lever to make sure that it is stable. We are going to attach the microphone. You may have a microphone with an on-off switch, or you may have one that doesn't and it's automatically on. You will have a windsock. That will make sure that the audio is of better quality if you're outside. Then you need to find the microphone cable and attach that. Okay, so you've got the microphone and the cable, and you're going to plug it into the camera here. You'll notice it says channel 1 audio. This little piece will click into the top, and you just enter that until you hear the click, like that, and you're ready to go. You switch on the microphone, the light will go on to say it's on, and then it remains on. Next thing is the light. The light is in here. We need to attach the battery, which is a little bit fiddly. Goes like that. Then we attach the bottom. Then we put this little piece in here, screw it in, and there we go. Tighten that on, and then that fits into the top of the camera here and slides in. And then you tighten that into place. There's an on-off button here. Don't look at the light when you switch it on because it's quite bright.
May cause blindness.
And there's also a dial here where you can make it brighter or less bright. Okay, so to record, you open the viewfinder out here and you'll be able to see what we are looking at once it switches on. And we've taken the lens cap off. There it is, coming off. Make sure that's off or it will be black. And you can see here we are looking at a classroom. This here on the top is how you zoom in and out. This button here is how you record. So you just hit, on that one, you hit record and it will start recording. Make sure you see it saying record here. And then you can zoom in or out if you need to beforehand. You'll notice the audio channels are moving up and down. There we go. And One final thing is playback. You tap the thumbnail button here. When you push that, your clips will appear. To play it back, you press it like that and then double press it and it will play. Just like that. And you will see that you're able to review your audio. So make sure you check your audio while you're out on the scene. Make sure you check your footage before you leave so that you have got the shots and the audio that you need to complete your assessment. And most of all, have fun.